Everyone is talking about artificial intelligence, but how does it actually work inside data analytics? Is it just ChatGPT, or is there more to it? If you are analyzing data today, you need to know this. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what AI is, and, more importantly, how we use it to transform raw data into future predictions. Let's get started. First, what is AI? Simply put, it's when a computer system simulates human intelligence. But in the world of data, we are usually talking about three specific things: machine learning, algorithms that learn patterns from history; natural language processing, the ability to understand text and speech; generative AI, creating new insights or summaries automatically. So, how do we use this in analytics? Traditional analytics answers what happened, but AI helps us answer what will happen. And what should we do? Here are the top 3 ways you can use it right now. Number 1 is automation. Data analysts spend 80% of their time cleaning data. AI tools can now scan your data, find missing values, and fix errors instantly. It does the heavy lifting for you. Number 2 is predictive analytics. This is the most powerful use case. Instead of just looking at past sales, AI looks at historical patterns to predict future demand. It can tell you which customers are likely to leave or how much stock you need for next month. Number 3 is natural language querying. Tools like Power BI and Tableau now let you ask questions in plain English. You don't always need complex code. You just type, "Show me top products," and the AI builds the chart for you. We see this everywhere. Banks use AI to analyze millions of transactions to catch fraud. Netflix uses it to analyze your viewing history and recommend what to watch next. If you want to start learning this, look into tools like Microsoft Power BI for its AI Insights features, or learn Python if you want to build your own custom models. AI isn't here to replace the data analyst. It's here to make the analyst faster and smarter. By mastering these tools, you move from just reporting data to predicting the future. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech and data training. See you in the next video.